All right, we are looking at doing some expressions where we are simplifying the radicals in the simplest form. So if you look at a radical symbol, obviously you can take that number and just put it in a calculator and get a decimal and find out it's an irrational number. So when you're looking at something like this, yes, you can certainly do a calculation on a calculator, but when we're looking for simplest form, we are looking for what is the simplest radical form. So if you want to find more videos from me, you can find them on Instagram and YouTube at E1 Algebra and also on TikTok. And you can find these in my playlist for square roots in that playlist. So we're looking at this, we're going to look for nice numbers that are perfect squares. So anything that's a nice perfect square, square root of 4, square root of 1, 9, 16, those kinds of things, but where you have a whole number when it reduces down. So if I take a look at this, you're going to make like a factor tree. And we're going to think about there's only a few factors, obviously, that go into 20. But one of those sets is 4 and 5. And 4 is a perfect square. So the square root of 4 is 2. Now, 5 obviously is a prime number. It's just itself. And it's obviously not a perfect square. So your simplest form would just be 2 radical 5. Let's take another one right here. So we have number square root of 40. So we're going to do the same kind of thing. We are going to, sorry about that. We are going to take a look at that, and we are going to simply look at 40 and think about two numbers when you can find two factors that work. The first one I can think of is 4 and 10. Again, 4 is a nice number that works because you have the square root of 4, which is 2. 10 only has itself and 1, obviously, and then it also has 2 and 5, but 2 and 5 are also not perfect squares, so we're going to keep that the way that is. So we have 2 radical 10, and that would be my finalized answer. If you want more questions like this, again, find them on my YouTube channel, my Instagram page, sorry about that, and my TikTok at E1 Algebra, and you can find them in my simplified square roots section.